A simple home improvement purchase turned into a nightmare for a local family. Now they want to warn all homeowners.
A $3,500 fridge.
The fridge still works.
Ended up costing Bradley Bird an estimated $700,000. The Birds purchased the fridge in December from Costco. The new fridge, installed by a third-party contractor, was provided by Costco. Everything looked operational.
When my daughter got home from school that day, she FaceTimes me and says, Dad, the house is underwater.
It wasn't until that frantic FaceTime 6 hours after the fridge was delivered that he realized the installer failed to properly install the water supply line, resulting in a major flood